guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm making the peas fry one, the like a snack thing we get in the store. For that I have soaked the dry peas in water for 8 hours. Now I'll be boiling this one. First we have to boil for like 70%. It has to cook. If you want you can add the green color, otherwise you will get this color only, the same. I'll be adding a little bit of green and then cooking, then later we'll be frying and add a little bit of salt over it. If you want you can add a salt, cumin seeds and a red chili powder also. First we'll allow this one to boil in water and cook it for like 60 to 70%. To this I'll be adding very little salt and 1 or 2 drops of green color. Then we'll be turning on the stove. So now this is done. You can see we have to take out the water and then we have to air dry it. Then we have to fry it in oil, add a little bit of salt over that. Salt, then we have to mix it and allow it to cool down. I'll be putting this on the paper right now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, press the bell icon, share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.